The legacy started in 2008 when we promised ourselves to make Everest the #1 brand in India. With the passion to deliver the best quality product and push the limits to achieve the impossible. Indo Everest. The journey beginning from a very modest setup in Vasai to one of the most talked about brand at automotive industries. After immense market research, it was learned that there is a wide scope for a proper product brand in the field of drive shaft components, which has complete range and quality product equivalent to the OEMs, that too at a reasonable cost. This gave us motivation and enthusiasm to develop our own product brand, Everest. Developing a quality product was not a challenge for the company, but to achieve the same at affordable cost was indeed a bigger challenge. And to overcome this, the company came up with the mantra of innovate, implement and excel. And with this mantra, we at Indo Everest have derived 5I concept. Innovations in manufacturing process, innovations and adaptation of new technology, innovations in creating new marketing skills and technique, innovation in inventory control and management, innovations in quality management. Innovations and amendments done in different production processes helped us to attain the most advanced and productive methods for manufacturing components, which got directly proportionated to the production cost of the products. At Indo Everest, adaptation of new technology is the integral part of the culture. Technology adaptation and upgradation is done in the field of raw material procurement and impairment of training to engineers, sales team and logistic team, which helps in improvement in overall performance. Innovations are done in developing unique strategies in marketing, which helps us in modernizing skills and technique of our team. We take pride in offering the finest and widest product range for propeller shaft, universal joint crosses, propeller shaft components, propeller shaft tubes, drive shaft assemblies, steering components and Cardan shafts for industrial purposes. Our inventory and logistics are planned in such a way that we are able to guarantee more in-stock availability and a quicker turnaround time from order booking to shipping. Our wide range of distribution network along with better production procedures have contributed to our presence across India and has made Everest components available even at the remotest part of India. All these factors have achieved our product a permanent slot in procurement list of distributors, exporters and OEMs. We have world-class facility and processes for quality inspection. Indo Everest has established its own procedures for quality inspection, and gauges are designed in such a way that reduces overall inspection time. Our products at Indo Everest passes through 3 sets of inspection for dispatch qualification. First round of inspection is done at production stage, ensuring maximum reliability and minimal margin for rejection. Second round of inspection takes place at the completion of manufacturing process with respect to defined parameters and geometrical tolerances. Final round of inspection is done at time of dispatch, which ensures 100% fitting guarantee. Products are designed on 3D modeling, which later goes for analysis and testing at our in-house R&D and testing center. This complete procedure plays vital role in validation process. In 2019, we established a full-fledged setup for dynamic balance propeller shaft assembly with the special purpose machines designed by our engineers for automation and robotic welding process. All propeller shaft assembly manufactured are dynamically balanced and maintained, run out below 0.3 mm. We have all the technical capability to make our client expectation into reality. The team of highly motivated and passionate individuals helps us to excel in the field of automobile industries and think beyond the extraordinary. We continue on this perfect growth, and the next decade will see the rise of the new giant of automobile industries.